Hello, this is Javier from Granite Springs Garage, Granite Springs, New York. If anyone out there comes across with a problem with a Volkswagen 2008 Volkswagen Jetta 2-liter turbo, that the customer brings the car, it shuts off at the stoplight, and it starts back on and it shuts off, and it's complaining that it loses all the power on the instrument panel, I'm gonna give you a tip on what could be the problem. If you look at the schematics on demand, don't go there because they're wrong. You're gonna think that you need the fuse panel here because it tells you that fuse number 10, it gets powered all the time, so you will assume it's inside this box. So don't go by on-demand wiring diagram. The problem for you not getting power to all these fuses, number 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, is from the box inside, which is called electrical system control module. You come here, you take half of the dash down, and it's the box where all the relays are. It's usually stuck up in there, but I just pulled it down so I can walk on it. And if you see here, you got these big 2 black relays, number 460 on each corner. It's a quick test. You switch them around, and if you start getting power to your cluster, and that's your problem. This relay goes bad, the one on the left side. So right now I'm going to show you, and here when you turn the key, there's no lights, no idiot lights, no cranking signal, nothing, like the car has dead battery. Okay, so you come here, okay. Let me show you guys, quick test. Okay, this is so you guys avoid a lot of time and a lot of headaches, because they want you to go back in here in the harness and test pins in the back. But this is a quick test. You take this relay and the one on the left side, and you put the other one in here. Okay, and then you try it, and there it is. All your lights are back on, and it starts. So you know your problem is this relay. If you want to make sure, you can test it, but this is a quick test. You switch them back on. And you see you got nothing again. This is like a $10 relay. They're gonna save you a lot of headaches. There it is. I hope you guys have a good use of this tip. Thank you.